Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, coming back at you with another video. We're going to look at the NT USB rodent microphone. Let's check it out.
Get strong.
Okay, so you have studio quality, you have headphone output, you have USB connectivity, a detachable desk stand, inbuilt pop filters. You have a 3.5 millimeter headphone output with 0 latency, which means you'll be able to listen to your audio as you record. Inside the box, you have the microphone itself, then you have one USB-C to USB-A cable, and then you have a thread adapter, 1 by 3/8 by 5/8. So let's talk a little bit about both of these microphones. I have a review of the Fifine 669 in one of my earlier videos. So I want to use it as a comparison to the Rode NT Mini Mic. So as you'll see, the Rode NT Mini Mic is made out of metal. It's quite heavy. The build quality is very firm, and it's very attractive. I think that the quality of the material that it's made out of means that it will last a long time. It's very durable. On the Rode NT mic, you'll notice that on the back you have a slot for the microphone to go in, and then the USB-C connector. Now, this microphone slot is very interesting because what it does is it gives you the opportunity to listen to your recordings as you're making them without any latency. In other words, it won't be a kung fu type scenario when you're listening. And on the front, you'll notice that this is where you can control the level for your microphone by simply raising it up and down. Now you can click it on, and that will basically be a regular microphone, but when you click it and you see the button there, the light comes on, then you'll notice then that now you have that 0 latency on the microphone. It also comes with a nice stand, and this stand is magnetic, so you basically put it like so. Okay. Now, the Fifine 669, again, this is a USB type microphone, and the difference with this microphone versus the rodent microphone is that on this particular microphone you can indeed control the gain. You can turn the gain up and down on it. Now on the Rode NT, you can't do that. It doesn't have that capability. So this is nice that it has that capability to be able to turn the gain up and down. But it does not have a way to hook a microphone directly into it. So that's the trade-off on it. So what we're going to do next is we're going to actually listen to the sound coming from both microphones, and I'll let you decide which one you think is best. Spoiler for me, I love this Rode NT mini microphone. Now, Two things about these microphones is, as you can see, they're both very portable, so that means you can take them just about anywhere you want to and use the stand that comes with them, which is nice to have, especially if you're doing away from your office videos. So let's go ahead now and let's check out these two different microphones and see which one sounds the best. So this is the Rhodes NT, about 6 inches from my mouth. Peter Piper pecked a pile of pickles passionately, permanently on a Rhodes microphone. So again, I'm about 6 inches away using the Fifine 669 microphone. Peter Piper pecked a pile of pickles passionately, permanently on the Fifine microphone. So, as you can no doubt hear, the Rhodes NT microphone was clearer, a lot more crisp than the Fifine. The Fifine did a good job, and the Fifine roughly is going for about $40, whereas the Rhodes is going for about $99. Now, personally, I like the Rhodes a whole lot better. I like the portability. I like the fact that it has a magnetic stand on it. I like the fact that you can swivel it around to fit just about any position that you would want, which makes it nice. And it comes with an adapter to allow you to hook it up to an adjustable arm, if you would like to do so. Now, don't get me wrong, the Fifine is good. When you're just getting started off, as I am, that's certainly a microphone that you want to keep in mind. But if you want to step it up to another level, then of course you want to go with something like the Rhodes NT Mini. Now, eventually I will, as my channel grows, move on to even a more professional microphone. But for now, the Rhodes NT Mini is perfect for me. I am Bertrand the Tech Man. Thank you for looking at this quick review of the Rhodes NT Mini and also the Fifine 669. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, and come back and check out my next video. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Get strong. Get strong.